Alright, welcome back.
Welcome, Bat.
You're just gonna keep doing that?
That was solid gold.
Solid gold, definitely.
You're playing, so I have all the time in the world to just think up bat puns.
Okay.
I wish I knew more information about bats, because...
Oh, quick time events. Yes!
Yeah, they didn't abandon that.
Well, no, I mean, look, if they're done right, they're okay. Like, say in, like, a boss fight, normally people are angry when it's done there because it's, like, something that you got killed by, and it's bullcrap. Like, say in Resident Evil 4 when you can't dodge it and it kills you. But when you're, like, pulling open something, it's just sort of a feel that, you know, you're opening it yourself.
Yeah, that's true.
So, I mean, it's okay when it's done right.
It's funny to watch Batman fail to open the grate because you didn't press A fast enough.
Is it?
Yeah, because he's just like, alright, I give up. He just
walks
stops.
away.
You won't see it. Well.
It's a good day.
Ooh, he's just doing some stretches. He's getting those hamstring stretches in. It's not as good here. When he's actually pulling it,
yeah,
he'll like be pulling on it and then just walk away.
Just walk away. Alright, cool. Wait. Did I just see the Joker?
No.
Come back here!
Maybe? Oh, you're gonna get those... Nah, that's boring. Don't do it. Look,
Wait.
Watch though.
What's going on? Oh no! Are they laughing to death?
Maybe. I don't know if that was Joker Venom or... Joker Toxin, yeah.
It's gonna be okay. I know all your buddies died in there, but it's gonna be okay. He didn't get you.
They didn't die in vain. Now I know to avoid the gas. Grapple.
Oh, right. Oh. You know?
Oh god! That was so dark! Did you hear that guard?
What'd he say?
I can see people! They're still moving! This is really in there. No, okay.
You know, man, I think I'm good. The Joker can have the asylum.
Well, my crusade ends here.
Alright, fuck it.
Go through the
I'm
fucking
sorry,
gate.
I know you hate me for that one. Oh.
Jesus Christ!
Oh, jeez.
I don't know if I want to go in there now. He's making it sound pretty bad. Oh my god, they're all dying in there. Holy crap.
From day one, it's a Joker plan.
It's a Joker plan.
Good. Wait, rescue the guard. Hold and run to jump. Oh.
Hold and run to jump.
Oh, I thought
Take hold of something and start moving your legs. You're gonna get vertical in just a second.
Oh, dude, they got kind of like, not ragdoll, but...
That's ragdoll physics. Well...
Not really.
Yeah, I see what you're saying.
Yeah, it's not ragdoll, but cool.
That's a steel grate.
Pretty much. Alright.
Hold A to run and jump. You can do this, Bruce.
Gotta channel it. But...
I gotta spend a few seconds being boring as fuck.
I'm sorry. Yeah!
Oh!
Alright.
Batman didn't even react. He
just looked away. Oh, no, I'm scared.
Protect the eyes. Alright, so don't fall down there.
Okay. Oh, right, because of the tear gas.
Because of the Joker Toxin.
Because of the Toxin. I'm going to get the animal who did this, but I won't kill him. Wait. Okay. Hold to glide.
Yeah.
Okay. So there.
You gotta jump off and hold the glide. You fucked up. Escape, RB!
Oh, I thought that was Batman! I was like, I'm sorry, Batman!
No, he's talking about you.
Oh. Who's this?
Oh, no, he was talking about it's a Blackgate convict. You gonna rescue him?
I guess.
Might as well. Got a little chibi.
Oh, cool. Holy shit!
You gotta track the wire in the wall to the ventilation.
He fucked that dude up.
Don't worry, I've got you.
Boom! Alright, where's the wire begin?
So
okay.
you see the fans.
Yeah.
Those are what you gotta turn on. So you gotta find the switch that they lead back to.
Yeah, but I can't go down there, right?
No.
So just follow this.
I think you're in the right spot.
I was?
Maybe? I think you have to...
No, that can't be right.
I think you have to hit a switch with a batarang here.
Oh, okay.
So I think it was down there.
Okay, and then I'll go back.
Okay, good.
Let's do it.
Yeah, that's the point where you fuck up.
Yeah, I figured it out. Look at me.
In between those last two fans?
In between the last two fans.
No, the other last two fans?
Okay.
Jake, look to your right. Do you see that switch down there?
Oh, look at you. You're the detective, not me.
I've always been the detective, not you.
Ah, always the battery.
That'll either turn it on or
Completely
ruin it forever.
I like if you like tried to like turn on the fans and he just completely destroys the button and then that's just it. Nothing
like,
turns on. It's like,
damn it, Joker, you're sinister!
You've outsmarted me again, Joker.
You knew I'd try throwing a batarang at the electrical system.
Are they dead? I mean, I saved him, right?
No, these guys are dead as fuck. Well, check your detective vision.
So if they're blue,
deceased
they're dead?
as fuck. No, you gotta hover over him. Status deceased.
So wait, so you...
Woo! Go Batman! King of the corpses!
Thanks for saving me and not my partners. Didn't like that guy anyway. Wait a minute, I'm gonna go...
him than me?
Are there secrets?
Not yet.
Should I go through that door?
That's not a door?
No, I meant like that door.
Yes.
Okay. On my way.
You're pretty early on. Just try and keep progressing.
Okay. I you know, sometimes you get to that point where you gotta look at everything. Ooh! I can taste him.
Oh, Joker.
Yeah.
You sassy.
Yeah.
You sassy flirt.
Oh no!
That is not really the killer instinct Batman usually displays. So when they're on the ground like that...
Ooh! Man, I hit him so hard that he phased through that bar.
Well, yeah. That guy's actually... He's like Shadowcat from X-Men.
Oh, right.
Oh, right. Like, that made sense. Like, what I said wasn't stupid bullshit.
Oh, man, I like how Joker had enough time to spray paint everything in here.
Yeah, you took long as fuck.
Well, that's true. I did almost die in that gas. I almost didn't make it.
Oh, look at him.
It's the Joker! Well, I had to deal with your gas.
You batarang jerk.
Aw, I was hoping that would have cut it behind him. You know it's a trap, right?
Of course,
Wait.
dumbass. I'm smarter than you.
What the? That's not Killer Croc.
No, that's a horrible monster.
His spine's sticking out.
Yeah.
Oh! Oh, nasty.
Oh, that's unsanitary. You should get that checked
Yeah.
out. Double tap into direction to evade. He's gonna charge you. Well,
okay.
that was a little early.
Ha-ha!
Nice.
Ha-ha! Ha-ha!
I'm not sure what you do against this guy. Evade!
Whoop. Okay. Well, I mean, it's supposed to give me tips, right?
Oh, yeah. He's gonna hit the wall. Nope, that doesn't hurt him.
Okay. Huh.
Let him charge you, he's gotta hit a wall.
Okay. I'll just be right next to a wall.
Yeah, just wait it out.
Okay. Hey, come at me. Come at me, bro. Ha! He didn't do it.
I think maybe you gotta... Shit.
Huh.
Maybe have him run into those electric fences?
Batarangs?
Batarang? Oh,
Fuck!
His batarang was bigger than yours.
He hit a motherfucker with another mother... Whoa! Alright.
First boss fight, I guess.
This is just the best.
Maybe you have to... Oh, you have to hit him with a batarang.
Oh. Oh!
Never mind, you did it.
Yeah, I won the fight. It's over. Ooh! Oh, I did.
Oh, I think that was supposed to happen. He's sick.
Oh. Cool. I accept. That was the easiest fight. Alright.
Are you gonna do it? Are you gonna do it, Bats?
Do it, Bats.
It'd be a very short game.
Oh, Batman. Of course.
It's a good game.
It's a good game so far. I'm liking it. Yeah.
Arkham City, I feel, improves on this.
It does?
I think so.
That's okay.
That's how I feel.
Alright, that's cool. That's cool. We'll get there when we get there, I guess.
Yeah. If you can beat this. Oh my god, look at all those bats. They're feeding.
I'm afraid of them! I'm afraid of
them!
Right, Batman turd, afraid of bats, right?
Yeah.
Alright, I don't even... Whoa!
Oh, you get an upgrade.
Oh, cool.
From
Alright,
Wayne Tech.
congratulations.
Batman finally feels he's earned some of the technology he already owns.
Special combo throw. Yeah. It's just like Samus and Other M, where they're just like, yeah, you can finally use your missiles that you had.
You're now allowed to do the Batman maneuvers.
Oh my gosh.
So read this. You unlock the special thing.
Allow Batman to perform an unblockable grab and throw after achieving combo. A and X to throw, choose the direction.
Yeah. So once you get to ×8, which I don't think you've gotten to yet.
Yeah.
You can press A and X in a direction, you'll pick somebody up and throw them.
Oh, wait. Oh, so I can pick A for any of these. Because I can get them, right?
I don't know. Try it. No, you already have that.
Okay.
The ones with the lock are unlockable.
Ooh, critical combo. Okay. Alright. Well, and on that note, it's gonna be a next Bro Birds where we come back.
We'll be back with level 2 Batman.
Yeah!
So good. So good.
So good.
Follow the
I'm
arrow on
going.
the ground.
Security breach in level B8.
Got it. I'm on my way.
Warning. Security breach in level B1.
Where's the trigger?
Rotate detector.
Oh wow. Okay.
So you got like,
Hey, Eddie.
What happened?
Wow.
Joker happened.
Eddie,
You're
you look
lucky
a
to be
little
alive.
pudgy to be a security
He must have
guard.
gone this way. Door's
Maybe it's
jammed.
the helmet.
I'll try and get it
I feel like
open.
he's got a
We
double
need
chin.
help in pacification.
Nah, he's got a
I
double
repeat,
chin going on.
we
He's
need
rocking.
backup in pacification. Can anyone hear
You
this?
don't work out much when
Can
you're
you hear
just
me?
standing there
I'm with
grabbing the door.
Batman. Hello?
Where are they?
Back down there. Do you need help?
This is
No.
kind of a different
I work
Batman.
better alone.
He's more of a detective.
So
He's
he's
an interrogator.
So
Okay.
you,
You do some
Franklin, can you hear me? If you can, help's on the
oh, I
way.
can't wait. I'll be able to do that whole interrogation scene in Arkham Knight. No, wait.
Door lock.
The Dark Knight.
See how good of a detective he is? He knows. He just knows.
He gathered just by looking at it. He didn't even have
Door
to touch
locked.
it. What? Door's locked. Whoa, what? Oh,
Eddie can't get it to work.
man.
Eddie, you're fucking fired.
Eddie!
Get
What?
at it.
That's your thing? Just... Alright, I'm going.
I'm getting bored. Go away from the lock door.
Okay, alright, I will. So...
Oh my god, that
Oracle,
sound effect.
can you hear me?
yeah,
Loud and clear.
that's my
What's up?
alarm.
That sound
Joker's
effect is
escaped
stock as
custody.
hell.
He's running free in Arkham.
Do you need anything?
Oh, Oracle.
Is my
right?
dad still there?
Oh, cool.
Commissioner
Barbara
Gordon is
Gordon.
safe. Joker's not far ahead. I'll stay in contact.
Whoa.
Think about what you're doing, Zaz!
Oh, Victor's ass. Victor's ass.
Who's Victor's ass?
He's a serial killer.
Oh, wow.
You're gonna have to stop him.
Thank God.
Do I have to talk
It's
to all
Zaz.
these
He's
people?
got Mike. He's strapped in the
Okay.
chair. Zaz is totally
That's
lost.
position for you. Listen.
Wait here.
You can't.
here.
He'll kill Mike if he sees anyone trying to get close.
Mike.
He won't see me.
Oh.
That might-
I see anything that looks even a little bit like a bat, and this
Oh,
guard
shock him.
dies. Do you hear me?
So... So he's a serial killer, right?
Look at him.
Alright.
He doesn't have a gimmick.
There's nothing about it. It's just like he just kills people.
He kills people, and for everyone he kills, he leaves a scar. on
How many
himself.
times do we need to be
How many stars does
told?
he have? Just...
Keep away,
Changes the story.
or this little piggy
That's-
flies.
Go up the stairs.
Oh, it's up the stairs. Sorry. Wow. God. Okay. Alright. Now we're gonna go and save the day. Alright.
You gotta sneak up on him.
Oh, right.
Don't get that guy killed.
He's done nothing to you. Let him go.
Detective vision. Try the bumper.
I see anyone coming close, and he dies.
Okay, bump.
Oh my god, why do we even see bumpers?
There we go.
Detective vision.
Okay.
I've got to get close enough to Zaz to strike. He'll see me coming on the ground, so I'll stay up high.
You gotta grapple.
Gonna grab.
These old gargoyles should be able to
Oh, yeah,
support
that's
my
right.
weight
The,
if I grapple up.
Good old bat thing.
Yeah. Kind of a lot of gargoyles for a mental institution.
Huh, yeah,
You
why?
think somebody might be confused. But you know. No. Yes, do that.
He says caution is nervous. Is it dangerous?
Condition is that. Nervous.
So then a glide kick.
Yeah, glad kick.
Do I need the detective vision to do this? Bam!
Wow!
Zaz is down,
Ground
but not for
takedown,
long.
ground
Got
takedown.
to get
You
close
did
to
it wrong,
taking
you
him.
gotta kill somebody.
No! Wait!
Like, kick him
Do I
again.
kick him again? No, please don't kill him!
Fuck you, Zaz! Ground takedown, left trigger and Y.
No! I'm sorry!
Oh my god!
Wait, I'll get him again. I'll get him again. I'll get him again. No!
No, you won't!
Oh, shit.
You just killed a man.
Oh,
You're a bad Batman.
Too easy. Played you
Wait,
like a
it's game
violin
over?
and
Batman's
cut
not
your
dead.
strings.
A man died because of
Nighty
you.
night, bats.
Bad. Don't worry, I'll get Victor. He'll never see me from here. I can pounce on him.
doing,
Well, it's time to go back up. That was a lot of fucking fun. God damn it, Jake.
I know.
You just got somebody killed because you wanted to pounce him 3 times.
I didn't mean to. I kept hitting the right bumper instead of the right trigger.
It was left trigger.
Oh no, I'm still wrong.
You need to master this because it's an important part of the game.
Okay, alright, I got it.
Grapple.
Do I have to do this activity?
You're a fucking master. No, you don't. But you're a master of grappling by now.
These old gargoyles
Got it.
should be able to
I did
support my
detect
weight
a bit,
if
by
I
the way.
grapple up to them.
That's just good.
Okay.
Slide kick him. Slide kick him and then ground take
Slide
him.
kick him! Whoa! Alright.
Zaz is
Oh,
down,
what's
but
right?
not for long.
Ground take down! Yeah, that's right. That's what happened.
Get
the
punched
first
in the
time.
face.
Animal back in his cell.
That's what happened the first time. Just forget that.
Can you hear me? Is this thing on?
Oh, hey, it's cleavage
That's
vision.
Harley
Hiya,
Quinn's tits.
B-Man. Harley Quinn here. How do you like my new uniform?
I dig it.
Pretty hot,
I gotta
huh?
say.
Wow.
Oh, I got
I didn't
something to
notice it
show
when they
you.
switched out the voice actors
One
between this and the
second,
next game.
B-Man.
Yeah.
But the new voice actor is much better.
Like Arkham City?
Yeah.
Oh. Great.
I'm now subbing for the old man.
That.
Old Sharpie's
Don't
never
worry.
been
Just imagine
happier.
it's good.
You know.
In case you
I'm
ain't
imagining.
figured it out, today is the Joker's big
Yeah, my
homecoming, and
imagination's
you're
working
the
overtime
guest
right
of
now, I'll tell you
honor.
that.
You have one chance
You know
to
what I'm just
surrender,
imagining?
Quinn.
Tempting,
It's
perhaps,
something
but no
about
dice.
Harley
Now the
Quinn.
inmates are running the asylum. Well, technically, the Joker's goons shipped in from Blackgate. But you get the idea. Bye-bye for now.
You're boring. I was talking about rape.
Oh, no. Oh,
Oracle,
my God.
I'm here.
Alright.
Arkham Asylum just vanished off the network.
Because nobody's
He's in control
watching.
of the security system.
We
He's
don't have
probably
to censor
isolated from the
ourselves.
grid.
Okay,
That's not always
world.
done.
Well,
Oh,
Police
okay.
feeds are
I change
reporting
my mind.
he's
Do a
placed
little bit of
bombs
censoring
all
of
over
yourself,
Gotham.
Dave.
alright, I'll
Says
censor
he'll
myself.
detonate them if
Moving
anyone
forward.
sets
We'll
foot
come
on
back.
Arkham Island. It's being
Next time that we
suppressed
bro,
at the moment,
I'm gonna
but
go
the story
find
will
the
break
Quinn.
any time now.